Hi, today I will give you a small update about Bitcoin. Maybe you are wrong or everyone is wrong about what's going on with Bitcoin for short term. So welcome to ymchannel. This channel is about the money mindset and money strategy. If you like to learn more about the trading strategy, click like, subscribe, and share with your friend and join my free webinar. So I will teach you how to trade some trading technique basically for free. And so now we look at the Bitcoin weekly chart. So you can see here the RSI. The RSI hit 70. Basically, it's not 69.65, and then it doesn't go up and they drop. Basically, they just slightly touched it, 70 level, and then they drop down. So this one is a signal to sell also. So you see the way they go down. And what happened is when we look at the weekly chart, basically you can see the Bitcoin is possible already finished the 5 wave. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if this is the 5 wave, we can have the ABC to pull down a little bit. Okay. So you also you can see also here we have hit the previous peak and we haven't go above it yet. So we don't know we are going down or going up yet. What is you need to be careful is we already have one RSI hit the 70 and it doesn't go up and then it choose to go down. So you see here, when we hit the RSI, when they hit over 70, basically is mean overbuy signal, okay? So when they just go below this level, is one of the selling signal to say, hey, the momentum is less than before. So they have a big chance to go down. But sometimes it doesn't happen all the time like this. For example, here, right? We have divergence here is going up, but the RSI actually is going down. The peak is going down, okay? And then confirmed by they drop below the 70, but still afterward they still go up. One of the strategy in my class I also show you is we can draw a line like from here to here a line. So you can see they form perfectly touching the peak and the support as a support and resistance. So as long as they go above this trend line, this is also one of the buying technique. This is also one of the buying signal. You can see if you buy here, you look like a superhero here, right? You would say, why not here? Here is also okay, but you need another technique because the RSI is not hitting 30. So it's not confirmed this is a bottom, okay? So we just need to buy relatively low. This is good enough. Or we just buy right before the big jump, okay? Is it fair enough? If you buy here, yes, you will look superhero too, but you will spend more time. It's a time consuming here, right? From this one would be like July to, basically we buy around here, May. So basically it's quite long time, right? 2019 July to till May. So it's almost 1 year. So basically it's a time opportunity course, right? So if you take my class, you will understand this is a buying signal and this is a selling signal. You can use the money on something else to do your investment to increase your return. Do you agree with me? Click like, subscribe, and share with your friend. Okay, so now I want to look at the 219 chart. So 219 is here. What I want to show you is 219 also they forming a 5-way here, and then they have a ABC pull down adjustment. So basically, I just talking to my friend and then they mentioned double bottom. So I want to tell you when you say double bottom, it is not necessary to go as low as the previous point. Sometimes, just roughly form a second leg, then this is a second bottom, then go up. Okay, so right now we are here. So you can see what is interesting. Why I always use 219 as a reference. One of the reason is it's very similar pattern. So you can see here, they form a similar double bottom here, okay? And same as now here, we also have a very similar pattern here. You see that? So it's possible we will form something lower. So in my previous video, please watch it. It's really, really good material. So I have mentioned this year basically is a sideways. So the real bull market will be next year. And I also mentioned you when is the peak. So it's a must watch video. So if you invest in crypto, so this is a very good education video. Again, I'm not your financial advisor. So this one is a good video for you to take a reference. Yeah. So now look at 2015. Basically, before the bull market, 2015 is here, right? You see, double bottom, go up. What is interesting is when we look at July 2015, is one of the peak here, small peak, okay? A small, like before the bull market, we have a small peak here. So it's July here, July 2015. How about 2019? 2019 July, what happened is also a peak. Okay, so today we are now 26th of June. So basically we are really near to the July. So if you really worry, if you are a short-term holder, you can see it as a timing to sell. But of course, as I say, if you're long-term holder, Bitcoin is still in a long-term going uptrend. So it's confirmed already. So so this is a small adjustment, small pullback. It provides us opportunity to buy later. Okay, so this is my sharing today. Click like, subscribe, and share with your friend. And I see you in the next video. And join my free webinar. Join the free email list. I will send you some more information. See you. Bye bye.